They have chicken stars now. We should not have chicken stars. Well, we already put it in for 1 minute. Now it's time to flip them over and put it in for 6 seconds. Okay, time for flipping.
Okay, DVDs. Oh, sweet, I love Incredibles. Oh, I call being Jack Jack. Wait,
turn off the
Xbox. Let me see that. This is 14A.
Hey, turn on the Xbox.
Ew. If you turn it off, then you're not getting chicken stars.
Alright, I'm turning off then.
Okay, now we just gotta wait 30 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Do you think I care?
Turn it on. I just turned it off. It was,
Okay, nobody's getting chicken sauce and only me.
don't say the chicken stars. I'm telling you.
Well, I'm already cooking some chicken sauce.
Stop saying stars.
It literally is chicken sauce.
Stop saying stars. Don't say it. Say it.
Okay, now let's taste check. Take it out from the microwave. Now it's time to taste test them. You know what? Why does that taste pretty good? It tastes like a dino nugget. Dude, it tastes like a dino nugget. Oh, bye.